And now I will give you all for each part of the body, okay?
You have told those two, Lata, by gratitude, and one more. Which one you told?
Affirmation.
By?
Affirmation. I told affirmation and gratitude.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now 1 minute. Now, how you all will detoxify liver? Now, for each part, I will tell you all. So, for liver detoxification, the best method is warm lemon water. I told you all. Okay, and turmeric tea, as I told you all, turmeric, a pinch of turmeric in glass of. You can even take glass of milk or glass of water. It will help to detoxify. And jeera, ajwain, and soft water. Jeera, ajwain, and soft water. All the three you can take little, and you all can drink that also. And remember, when you all take this, no, after 1 hour, you all should have your breakfast. Okay, don't have it immediately. Just take this water.
Jeera Ajwain. Jeera Ajwain.
Soft.
So,
And then you have to say the affirmation, my liver is strong and releasing all the toxins effortlessly.
my liver is strong.
And releasing all the toxins effortlessly. Okay. Then is a kidney detox. Now, for your kidneys to flush out all the toxins, the best way is to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. And you can add tulsi and cucumber and mint slices to the water and drink. That way also you can detoxify your kidney. And coconut water, in coconut water you can add little barley. So barley water is very good for if you have anybody having kidney issues, barley water is very good. So you can mix it with coconut water. So coconut water and barley water. And
Can you explain what is that? What kind of water?
it is coconut water and barley.
What is barley?
Barley, it is barley. You get barley only. In English, it is called barley only.
Ah, yes, I know barley. Okay, we have it here.
It is a
Mm-hmm.
small white seed.
Yes,
Small
Yes.
white seed, probably. Yeah.
yes. And you should avoid too much of salt. Kidney patients should not eat salt much. And affirmation is, my kidneys are healthy, clean, and vibrant.
Healthy, clean, and
Vibrant. Or you can say, their kidneys are functioning properly. Anything you can say like that also. My kidneys are functioning properly. Okay. Then colon and intestine detox. How you will detox your intestine and colon is, you can take Triphala Churn at night. You can take flax seeds plus warm water in the morning. In warm water, take little 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. You can take that. You can eat fiber-rich fruits like papaya and apple. Papaya or apple, any one you can have. And Kapalbhati pranayam is very good for this. Intestine detox. Kapalbhati pranayam. Vesna, you know what is Kapalbhati?
No.
I'll send you a video of that.
Uh-huh.
I'll
Okay.
send you. It is one form of breathing. I will send you the link. You can see that. And then you will say that my digestion is clear and I feel light and healthy.
sorry,
My digestion is clear
I'm sorry, my digestion.
is clear and I feel light and healthy. Now we come to lungs detox. Okay. Now lungs detox, you can do best way of lung detox is Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom and Basrika. That is very good. These two pranayams are very good. That is deep breathing form. Then you can take a steam with eucalyptus oil. And you can take tulsi, honey and ginger tea. Means in the water, you can add little bit of ginger and tulsi. And then when the water becomes lukewarm, you have to add honey. In the boiling water, you should never add honey. Honey becomes poison if you add in the boiling water. Remember, it should be very lukewarm. So tulsi, ginger and honey. You should avoid smoking and fried foods for this.
No, but honey for diabetic, it is not good, no? Honey for diabetic
Then you
patient.
don't avoid that. It's okay.
Yes.
You can avoid it.
Okay.
And every breath I take purifies and energizes me.
Purifies.
Every breath I take purifies and energizes me. Now, which is our largest detox organ?
Skin.
Skin. Skin, correct. Skin. Now, how you will detox that? Like how I told you all, dry brushing before bath. Okay? Just, brush your body fully. Dry brush. Then,
Ma'am, dry towel can also work. Dry
no,
towel.
no. Brush is better. Dry towel will not work. It will not remove your dead skins and all. This is better. Then another way is to remove the sweat of the body. Now it can be through exercise, sitting in the sun, anyhow. But that sweat should come out. Then I gave you all the detox water. No, you all can drink that detox water also. Cucumber, lemon, tulsi and all that. So that is a very good. And then your affirmation is, my skin glows with natural radiance and health. Or you can say my skin is glowing. Anything, whatever comes to your mind, you can say that. Then the next one is blood detox. How you will detox your blood? For that, you need beetroot, pomegranate, lemongrass, and neem. You all can grind this and take the juice.
Once again.
Beetroot, pomegranate, neem is the curry leaves. That bitter one, if you get it, that is better. And wheatgrass.
How many leaves of ma'am neem?
Wheatgrass or lemongrass?
Little only. Just अंदाज से थोड़ा आप ले सकते हो. 4-5.
No. Wheatgrass or lemongrass?
Oh, sorry, it is wheatgrass. Wheatgrass.
Hmm?
Now, in this, if you don't have any one item also, it is okay. If you don't have wheatgrass, you all can take the other things. But beetroot is better if you should not avoid beetroot. Because that is...
नीम और कड़ी पत्ता में से कोई एक ले सकते हैं दोनों?
हाँ, एक, कोई भी एक.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि वो हीट ज्यादा रहती है ना दोनों में, तो you have to take any one. And or you can even take warm water with cinnamon and honey. Cinnamon का पानी भी बहुत अच्छा है इसके लिए.
Ma'am, this is before as soon as we wake up, we have to drink this.
Yes.
Empty stomach.
See, all these waters, no, each day you all can take one water. Different water. So it will help that way. And after 1 hour, have breakfast. So don't you then in between you all can do yoga or whatever, morning walk, everything you all can do, and then have breakfast. Right? So that is also good. Then is a brain mind detox. How you all will detox this? Brain and mind, how will you all detox?
Switch off the phone.
That is
Meditation.
Meditation.
Oh.
yeah, it is first of all that don't allow any negative thoughts to come to you all. Okay, that is one way. Meditation is good. Even you all can do Ho'oponopono prayer. That is also very good for this. Then you all can drink almond milk at night. That also calms your brain. It calms your brain. Then journaling and forgiveness practice. Because
Almond
almond milk at night.
almond
Almond means
milk.
yeah, badam.
Okay.
Almond.
And the affirmation is my mind is clear, calm, and powerful. My mind is clear, calm, and powerful. Okay. Now stomach detox. Stomach detox, you can either do intermittent fasting, that is good, or you can fast once in a week, that is good. Or if you cannot do fasting, you can just drink jeera, ajwain, and hing water.
Or Ekadashi. Every 15 days cycle.
Yeah, but then you all eat lot of peanuts and that sabudana and all that, no?
No. Nirahara.
Nirahara,
Nothing.
then it is good.
Full
Nirahara.
zero, Maggie? Full
Zero
is
I do. Zero
Oh
I do
my.
every 15 days.
So jeera,
And I
ajwain,
only because I have classes, what I do is I take white pumpkin juice thrice a day.
that is fine.
So that gives me prana, that
Energy.
energy,
Yes.
It's,
Yeah, that way you
So
are can.
Nirahara, that will take care of your entire system.
Yes, it will take care.
Wow.
It's very good.
Zero food.
And
Wow.
Yeah, zero food, yeah.
jeera, ajwain, and asafoetida. Now hing, Vishna will not understand, so I'm saying asafoetida. Vishna, you understand, no? Asafoetida.
What is that? I don't know.
Hing,
It's a
hing.
spice. Asafoetida only you say. You can Google and see.
Okay, just write
Send her a
me. Just write me a message.
I'll send you that also. Picture of that. I'll send you.
Okay.
Okay, so it is jeera. Jeera, you know, jeera is cumin seeds. Cumin seeds.
Yes.
Okay, and ajwain is carom seeds. Ajwain is carom seeds. You know carom seeds? She's asking her husband. Carom seeds.
You mean fenugreek seeds?
No, fenugreek is methi. No, not fenugreek. Carom
No.
seeds are different.
Okay, then send me and that.
Yeah, I'll send you everything. I'll send you. Jeera, carom seeds. Cumin seeds, carom seeds, and asafoetida. Okay, it's very good for stomach. And if you don't get, then you know buttermilk. You know buttermilk, right? So in that you can add here also roasted cumin seeds powder. So it is very cooling. And actually, when you all do fasting, usually I do many times only on this buttermilk. So it is good. One day, like half day, you can do with jeera. Viji is laughing. I don't know why she's laughing. You're muted. You're muted. We can't hear.
Oh, no, we have so many spices. So Vaishnav will be thinking, what is this? They're telling so many spices.
She knows her husband is from, he has stayed in India, so she knows. So that's
Oh,
why-
is it? Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
he has studied in India. That's why he is from
Oh.
there, but he has stayed in India, so she knows. That's why she was asking.
Yes.
I'm thinking, He's sitting next
Yes,
to me.
he knows. He knows a lot of things.
Exactly. A lot of things.
Right.
Yes. And then last one is energy body detox. Emotional detox, what we say. It is called as emotional detox.
And affirmation about the stomach
Yeah,
issue.
about stomach is, my stomach is calm, strong, and functions with ease. My stomach is calm, strong,
My
and
stomach
functions
is
with
calm
ease. Is calm, strong, and functions with ease.
and functions.
With ease, or you can say functions easily.
Okay.
And for a blood affirmation,
For what?
you didn't tell us.
Blood,
You didn't tell
I
us.
didn't tell. For blood, I didn't tell.
No.
No.
Okay, blood is, I have written it. My blood flows freely and nourishes every cell in my body.
My blood flows.
My blood flows freely and nourishes every cell of my body with purity.
Hello. Sorry. My blood flows freely and
Nourishes
yes.
every cell of my body with purity.
Okay.
Okay, then any brain, did I give brain? My mind is clear, calm, and
Yes.
powerful. I gave
Yes,
that.
yes,
Yes, stomach.
yes.
Yes.
Now the last is the emotional detox. How you all will remove your emotional stress and all. So that is, one is by chakra meditation, chakra balancing meditation. Okay, on each chakra, what we say, lam, yam, and all that way. That is very good. Then by aura cleansing. And the affirmation will be, I release all stuck emotions.
I
Release all the stuck emotions. I am free, light, and healed.
am free
Light and healed.
and sorry.
Healed. I am healed. Healed. I am healed. H-E-A-L.
Healed.
Maybe we can add shopping also to it or
What
retail therapy. I actually emotionally detox very beautifully. When I even